Make a great choice today with the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, Bluetooth. Immerse yourself in